I started learning English speaking, most of the people from my society said me that why are you learning English speaking? Is it that important or why are you teaching this? We can do all the things in Hindi also. And some of them used to say me that you don't love your native language, your mother tongue, that's why you are learning English speaking. So let me clarify that's not truth. And in this video, I'm going to tell you the same reason that why learning English speaking is so important. And the reason cannot be that we don't love our mother tongue. There are different reasons. And it is the best way to do something in your life and enhance your career. So this is day 11 of 30 days English speaking challenge. My name is Kashish Malik and let me tell you why am I doing this challenge. I'm doing this challenge to be a natural English speaker and become fluent in English. So guys, this is day 11 and let's start it. Let me tell you, English speaking is not just only learning a language. It has opened lots of doors for us if we know it, and it can close many doors if we don't know it. So today I'm going to tell you the same thing, that why I learned English speaking and why you should learn it. So let's start. First point. The simple reason of learning English speaking is that it is a global language. Suppose a person from Tamil Nadu comes to your home and he says you that I'm going to give you a job and I want to like do all the jobs, because his language is Tamil, but he is speaking to you and you don't know Tamil, he will start speaking English. But what if you don't know English also? What will be your impression? Obviously, it will be bad. The same thing I thought whenever I used to say any interview, whenever I used to say like see any job or something, there was one criteria that English is important. English speaking should be good. And I was not able to do that. That's why I thought that I will learn English speaking. It does not mean that I don't love my mother tongue. I love Hindi. But it was also true that we cannot survive only with Hindi, because there are multiple languages in India, or if we say about whole world, then different languages are there. Only English is the single language which can be used at any place. So it is important to learn English speaking. That was the first point. Second is that I wanted more opportunities. You know what? There are multiple jobs, not only in abroad, not only in foreigns, but in India only there are multiple jobs which demand of English speaking. And we are just losing our skills just because we don't know that language. So I think we should know learning English speaking. For example, I'm giving you an example. There was a job of mentor, and one of my friend's uncle was going to like apply in that. His knowledge was amazing, but he did not get selected because the students who used to come there were from English background and they could not understand Hindi or any other language. They could understand their regional language, but uncle did not know their regional language and he did not know English speaking also. Only that was the reason that he lost the job, and the salary was so high, but he could not get that job. So, why should we make the same mistake? Why should we firstly wait for that job and then English speaking? Let's learn it now. Now we have time. So, that was also one reason I decided to learn English speaking. Now, the third is, as you know that multiple people in multiple societies, like not all, but there are multiple people who give you respect only when you learn English speaking. And that is truth. You know what, when I did not know this much English also, I know that I'm not good right now also, but I'm better than earlier. So whenever I used to go at any gathering and if someone is speaking in English and I'm not able to give answer to that person or reply to that person, my confidence used to go this much low, and I could not get that respect which should be there. No matter how much knowledge do you have, no matter how much skills do you have, but you can't reply in English, then they would think you are a dumb person. And I did not want to prove myself the same, so I thought to learn English speaking, and that's the best thing which I did. Apart from it, there are many reasons. For example, like there are some jobs where if you know English speaking, then the salary is different. If you know Hindi speaking, then the salary is different. A person who can communicate in English gets more advantages, meanwhile, the person who does not get. So that was the reason that I did not want it to be left from any opportunity or left from any advantage which I could get. So learning English speaking was so important for me. And in my opinion, what I think is that English is equal to money, guys. You know what? In any field you go, if you know English, it's 100% sure that you will increase your value. You will increase your value. If any employer is there, like any company which wants to hire people, if you know English speaking, if your communication in English is very good, they will hire you very nicely. So that is also the reason. And one more reason, which is that English speaking is a skill and we should learn all the skills. Why not to learn English speaking? That is also the reason that I wanted to learn English speaking and uphold my education. You know what? On internet, if you want to gain knowledge about something, about tech, about any law, about anything, most of the knowledge is in English. And if you want good content about any educative video or about anything, that would be provided better in English. So why should we lose our knowledge just because we don't know a language? Let's learn it. And you should also. So next time when someone say you that you don't know English is no, why are you learning English speaking and you don't love your mother tongue, then say them that we love our mother tongue, but it does not mean that we don't want to upgrade us. We don't want to grow. We can learn multiple languages. Most of the people learn Japanese and all. Why cannot we learn a global language? So you should learn it. Apart from it, I would like to thank to those people who subscribe to my channel and thank you so much for your support. Bye.